come on, baby, come on. Just let me wait out in your sunlight. I know the way it makes me come alive.
Hey boo, what you in there doing? Stealing? Bam, look what I'm back with. Y'all, I went out and I purchased, no lie, it's about 15 to 20 wigs on my own that I wanted to bring to you guys. Well, I'm doing them nails like that. I hate when I get them ratchet, y'all, because then everything is like that. This wig is by Freetress Equal, and we know that they are just like OG. You know you're going to love them. Wig company. It's in the style Courtney, that's Courtney, and I got Courtney in a 1B. Somebody requested this in a 1B, so there you go, boo. It's part of this light lace front wig collection. I actually got two others in this collection, but they were in the color hot choco, like Valentino. Courtney is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She comes with pre-plugged HD lace. Y'all know, I'm not gonna play around with that. The color on the stock card is actually pretty. That color is called TH1B 2430. That is very pretty. And she comes in some other colors as well. Okay, I'll try to remember it in the description about to put a few links to where you can get them. Okay, y'all look at Courtney, classic little style. Okay, she came with lace, like I said, I cut off. That's all I've done because I like to do everything with y'all on camera. Cap construction, you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, you get that ear-to-ear lace, a comb to the right, a comb to the left, and this thing that somebody gonna focus on. Okay, make sure you subscribe. She also comes with baby hairs. All right, let me plop on my hair real quick, see if she's hitting on, and then we're gonna play around with her a little bit. Oh, y'all, this a cute little bobber, ain't it? Let's play around with Courtney. This is a nausea pill for somebody asking me, why are you eating that candy that hard? I'm sick. Let's play around with Courtney, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Is going to be a wig that's going to take you through like multiple situations. Like I always say, you can wear this wig to work, you can wear this wig to church, you can wear this wig when you going to self-checkout and you taking a few items, you can wear this to go entangle, you can wear this on a date night with the boo. Like there's so many things that this wig is going to be great for. In so many situations it's gonna go, because I get some people that say, oh, that ages me, oh, that's too young, which I don't get that, because I feel like do whatever you want to do with your head. But this is a wig that is going to, if you think like age and hair, this is a wig that's going to take you across multiple age groups. Super easy, super simple, but that's what we get with Freetress. As a matter of fact, do y'all remember, it was a few weeks back, Sam's Beauty sent me a wig that was just like this, and it was $9.99. This is an updated version of that wig. And what I mean is that other wig, it didn't have any lace to cut off. This, you're going to get ear-to-ear lace if you into that type of stuff. And yeah, easy breezy. It's perfect look. I really wish I would have gotten a few more colors, but we didn't, sis. Like I said, stay tuned, because I got two others that I got from this collection that I'm excited about, but they are in color. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Carol. Just Carol. Or it could be your cousin Carly, that's, 19. Maybe it's your Uncle Carl. Whichever one, send them my way, and me and Freetress Equal, we'll get them right. For those of you that did request wigs, like I said, I went through and I bought a whole bunch, so they coming. They coming. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.